Hello everyone, this is a demonstration video for my final project for CS50's web development with Python and JavaScript. The website that I am going to demonstrate is a co-working website for a company called Sky. So this is the main authorization screen. I will create an account now. Okay, so this is the main screen. I will tell you the basic structure of this website. There are employees, which are the accounts registered on the website. Each employee can post text updates, which will be visible to every other employee, and can also make notes, which will be visible to that employee only. Employees can come together and form teams, and teams can come together and work on projects. Okay, so first of all, here's the teams section. I will create a new team. So I'll have to enter the team name, and I'll have to select the co-workers or employees that I want to include in that team. So I'll select admin, AJ and Dhruv and create team, and that change will be reflected in the my teams section. I can see the members, and similarly I can also see the other teams and their members. Okay, so now this is the chat section. Here you can send messages to the teams that you're a part of and to your coworkers. To demonstrate this, I will open another window and log in as admin. Okay, so I'll send a message to this team, and I can see this notification here, and that team button is also highlighted. I can open that team and I can see hello from admin. I can reply back and I'll see that message over there. I can also send a message privately. So I'll send a message to admin, and I'll see this message here, and I can see this message here. So this chat is facilitated using the Django's Channels library uh, on the side, and the classic JavaScript WebSockets on the client side. Now this is the feed section, and here I can post text updates and also see the updates that other employees have posted. So I will post an update here with some title uh, and some text, and upload, and I'll see that change reflected here. I also have an option to delete this text update. So this is the profile section. Here I can see the account settings, and I can change my username or my password, and I can see the posts which I have created, and I have the option to delete them. So I will delete the post, and so this is the notes section where I can add notes which will be only visible to me. So I'll add a note, and you see that change reflected here. I also have the option to delete that note. So now this is the project section. Here I can see my projects, which means that at least one team which I am a part of is working on that project, and other projects, which means that none of my teams is working on that project. Now each project has a title. Uh, each project has a title, the description, and a status. So the status can be open or closed. And if I start a new project here and I have to enter a description and select at least one of the teams that I am a part of and start, I'll see that change reflected here. Now notice that I have this option to view this project if it is my project, and if I click on it I can see its details, and I can see this status and description and the teams currently working on this project. Now the interesting thing to note here is that this update section, I have the option to add an update if it is my project and its status is open. So I'll add an update and you'll see that change reflected here. And I also have the option to close the project. By doing so, the ability to add the updates will be gone, and a change will be and automatically an update will be made that I close the project. So now you must have noticed that this is a single page application, and I have facilitated all of this using the handlebars library. So I'll log out now, and this was my final project. Thank you.